Let's now talk about the course structure, because I feel like the explanation of the course structure will be very beneficial for you in order to give you really good expectations what is coming. Even though you can see all the names of the lectures, still it will be very good thing to give you real expectations of what's coming and how we are actually going to learn and going to study in this course. So I'm a fair believer of the practical studying, and I feel like the best way to learn things and learn any software and anything in your life is by doing it. So this course will be all about doing different things. I'm gonna be explaining all the tools or the things by doing it on the screen with you, and we are gonna just show you everything how it's done on the practical examples. As you can see, the course is actually divided into sections that are all about creating something practical in the end. I know they might not look great because it will be all built as we go, but still it's all about the practical things, and it will be all about telling and showing, not just everything separately. We are going to do everything together. This course will be very, very practical. All sections after this, of course, and after the introductory section, will be focusing on the end results, and after all the sections that you're gonna go, you will be able to create something. You actually don't need to learn all the software entirety and all the features of the software in order to be able to create something. And with this section, I will prove to you that even with the basic knowledge, you will be able to create something, and I will be revealing all the tools that you need, all the basic tools to the advanced tools, as I feel that are needed in order to create the end results. So as you may understand, we are focusing on end results, and we want to make something as soon as possible in order for you to get a taste of the software and accomplish something, because the best way to continue learning is to have an accomplishment on its way and not just focus only on end goal. We need some goals as we go, and this is how I believe that we should study. Again, I understand that it might be a bit difficult for you to catch up with some things, and don't worry, you can fully transparent ask me any questions that you want. I'm always available. I will be saying this more and more times over and over and over. That's because some people think that they are alone in this. No, you are not alone. There are a bunch of other students with you, and there's me with you. Again, if you will have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I will be always available for you. So let's just move on to the next lecture.